까마베 구게 튜제 갸가기 게서 딜리사베 나롤이야 수베 니몬들이야 페베 군준소레 안다나시 가서다 honorific guest 대다 안다 군준다 대쇼베 처로 상으로리아 welcome shada just delicious.
I'd like to I'd like to begin by welcoming all of our honored guests to this observation of the 900th anniversary of the Karmapa lineage, which is being held in Delhi. I'd like to extend my warm welcome to them, as well as to all of my Dharma friends who are gathered here. Welcome everyone, and Dashi Dele.
다 까마 구게 튜젠 시드스다네 디인데 직전에 그냥 쓴거 이게 구게 튜젠 시드스다네 다 나라야 지 셀레브레이션 쳬브르지 다 이네 녜디 가서다 나란데 드린 요아디 까마베 다 진주 로마 더브지기 수두샤네 용요르마도 아니 지 소소 까마베 인사받체제 근데 지금 돈이 용요 말았어 다 조디 아주 이제 나바상계베 최나롤이야 지 겨와세다 제바당 다나시 랑기 장라 그린 체베 개베 신년주 구송투기 윤대 제수 참바체 디 구송투기 윤대인데 제수 참바점도 마세베 랑이네야 탐바 대다 탐바 대수는 신지 라신기 튜니 루토버지 용약 돌리안 배주샤디 아주다 제렘 체사데 드립질이야 고아르슬랭게와레 드리인두사나 드린데 에네다 롱 구결학 로규에 대비 에네 표기 나바상게베 추규게 나 대전직 까마감사 안 디기 쇠되바보 반대 뒤숨 캠베 에는 고송도 연del이야 제전 쉬체 에네 아주 지 마음발이야 수수미지 나로리아 에네 양가르 탐체 사업을래제 지랑 라시 튜니드도에 미 랍센지 차지기 자와당 아니 탐지 제아적인 임무를 차리기 어려서도
When we consider this occasion of the 900th anniversary of the Karmapa lineage and the observation of that we're holding here, probably a lot of people are going to look at this as, in some way, a celebration of me, the Karmapa. But I'd like to make it clear that that's not the attitude that I have. I come here today in my own mind as a follower of the lineage of Karmapa. I come here today in my own mind as a student of the Gyalwang Karmapa. So this in no way, from my own side, is any type of recognition or celebration of myself. I think it's important for us to step back and look at what the notion of commemoration means. In Buddhism, we talk about the Buddhas and their son and daughter, bodhisattvas. and the importance of recalling or bringing to our minds again and again the noble and excellent qualities of their body, speech, and mind, and use that recollection as a stepping stone to further inspire ourselves to emulate them in body, speech, and mind so that we can bring more benefit to ourselves and to others as well. I think that's really the heart of what a true practice of commemoration and recollection is. So on this particular occasion, we are recalling a lineage and tradition that has lasted for the past 900 years as one part of the vast tradition we call Tibetan Buddhism. One school within that tradition is known as the Karma Kagyu lineage, and this particular guru or master we're celebrating today, foremost is known as Dusum Khyentse, the first Karmapa. So what this occasion is for us is a chance to recall, commemorate, or bring to mind the noble and excellent qualities of Dusum Khyentse's body, speech, and mind, and try to make this a stepping stone in our own lives so that we, now and in the future, can come to benefit ourselves and the world more and more. We can use this as an occasion to refresh that inspiration and sense of commitment.
지단다 표현이야. 또 롱 동차만 비르리야. 더 표현이 점블링 나누는 지 쿠교는 질 데려요, 봐. 점블링다. 쿠교라 신고. 그렇게 돼. 나나나 그거다. remote place. 레인주산에 아니 쿠교들이야. 로 동차만 비르리야. 주대체. 다 구주지 가셔야 제장 별이야 미세기 가서 우마 별이야 지게 material development 진짜 다 요만다 딩선 또 이내 조대 이제 남배체 spiritual 다디네 지 남배체리야 다지 롱 자상만 별진이야 벌써 동차 무슨 지지리야 가서다지 토나를 비슷하지 들리 이些장무체 들리야지 냠내 치시대요래 제장 다 표시하되 디상 점블링 토리야마 지가서에 엄마데 remote place 되네 마진 점블링 디제 토르마 레윤두산다 베베 롱업에 동차 무슨 지리야 다 냠내 치샤베 spiritual practice and dando 야만의 spiritual gift 나디 저번에 성로래야지 셰 토야르 이제 두주질이야 레야르 성도스 제당다 별이야 배나 두숨 켐버더 기부 담바 망부시라 쳐요래 두숨 켐버 기부 담바 공마도 매버 말해 망부시라 쳐요래 제자 드린데 두숨 켐베 제된 차디 초진의 강사지기 제된 작수를 좀 해보체. 따티 주순 캠베 제된 차버데 규네 아니 별이야. 말 랍생이 기부 망부치 쳐요버디. 아주 또토버를 치고야 되게 좀 시작해서.
As we know, the tradition and teachings of Tibetan Buddhism survived and developed in Tibet in a very remote and isolated context for hundreds of years, roughly 1,000 years, before they started to gain exposure to the wider world. And although Tibet was in many ways devoid of a lot of extensive material development, its spiritual development and its spiritual teachings were able to flourish over this period of 100 years in a context in which many Tibetan practitioners were able to pay a great deal of attention to the Buddhist teachings and bring them deeply into their experience. And we're arriving at a time now where the richness of this process is not only a fruit to be enjoyed by Tibetans alone, but is becoming a gift that can be shared with the whole world. And on that note, I think it's very important for us to be clear and to acknowledge that Dusum Khenpa was simply one of a great many highly accomplished masters, one of a great many people who were able to master the teachings and practice of Buddhism in this way. So one point that I'd like to make in having this celebration of Dusum Khenpa's life and the 900 years of his tradition is not to assert that he was the only person who reached that level of accomplishment. It's important for us to know that there were many, many masters who reached a similar level of accomplishment. So therefore, rather than regarding this as a celebration of just one individual person's accomplishment, we can take this whole festival as a celebration of the accomplishments of a great many noble, enlightened, powerful masters of Tibetan Buddhism.
당아주디 담보 공무츠 진주 전에 엔다 조 공기 아주리아 남된 나샤브디 제수슈네 아주지 베즈 간투도 베즈 전에 다 장된 주버지 엔다나시 현된 주버지 야 베즈 치가래 이네다 디나네 라메기 마 남된 나샤브스 남된 나베 당화 맹아 스두산 셴네 숨바 지고마임바 다 텔레장 버가 자체서네 자도 야면은 당화 젬바르부티 다 뒤경 아주지 송수지와 당화 젬바데 가라서나 라마 코랑기 지 미지지기 다 제바남타 미지지리아 코랑기 다 간다 지 차와 지점시 체여디 코랑랑 응아주리아 당화 자 치슈지의 당화배 젬바르부티 시레스 젬바 가시 칸이 경계시에 마도 라네 더 말봐 근데 매일체 코랑 강송버데 코랑 그 통념수 시에네 딜라네는 따네 땡아주 참여게지 미통 럭신요 아르부티지 정부 인도산에 아니 대규제 아주 오스다 라마티 구송토기 연된디 아주 오스다 미통 럭신요 아지 인도산에 따디 당화 자치 쉬르지 차디야래 드레인주 전제베다 원준 공면 남다르디 아라드다 진주버 뒤샷남게 냠래래야 봐 데투지 남다스아데 루주체체 오망만 네베 니주레 네베 중럽리 레체제 봐 샤샤요 말에 따디다디 오기 남다르데 다당 안수 미지 나로래야 양결 가스웨디지 선보 유튜브 차지당 오스 라렌다 유튜브 차디 개점부 시라레 정도
In general, as students of Buddhism, we enter into the teachings, we connect with a spiritual friend or spiritual master, and then we endeavor to accomplish the instructions that he or she gives us as best we can for the benefit of both ourselves and others. But I think the truest and most powerful form of spiritual instruction is the life example of the masters themselves. Of course, we receive many precious teachings from the masters, but from one perspective, when compared to the actual example of their deeds and their experience, then the things they say to us are of lesser power. The life example of the masters themselves are something that we can directly witness with our own eyes and directly be impacted in our own experience. They are the true gateway to the enlightened qualities of body, speech, and mind. So when we approach the histories or the biographies of these enlightened masters, we're not doing just a history lesson. We're not just reviewing events that happened in the past, but rather we're trying to invoke a spirit in ourselves which endeavors to emulate their example and really achieve these enlightened qualities of body, speech, and mind ourselves. So by reacquainting ourselves with the life examples of the great masters of the past, we're making them fresh and lively once more.
단 라바도 드린디 제고 개발 다지 제고 루주기 튜닝에 되면 제고디 아주 다시 갸가 파베유 안디 갸가 게스들리아 초토 총디 미세지레송도 가라사나 지당 그 남부상계바 고랑 던 중국으로 버스는 자도 남부상계베 총유세는 자도 다디 갸가 차리요래 제자한테 벽 남부상계바디 대가를 벽 남부상계베 취해디 대가를 갸가네 봐 규용 인두산에 던데 지금 개점식 차리요래 나나신 라바도 지 거규비 취규디나 아니 지 갸가 출신 소나마 림베 규제 다들려야지 가서다 츠기 규바자마인 봐 된기 규바 간다 지기 오늘 전에가 지 갸가기 출신 수 투규를 총배 방도가 연된데데 아니 규마제비체 아니 표 간증 정리네 다 가서 모투니 균진체네 따다당 아주 지 갸가의 양결 주지 규바데 마냠버체체 갸가 세토리아 이르지기 규반디던 제베 제드는데 차 총부디 아주 그 유기 진주 라바도 까마까마서 진주버체 다디스 뽑아를 지당 아니지 스지를 붙이려 문지 제초하러 제som 정도 안 라바도 언데인데 정아주지 야가기 계심 군주연제 다나신 엔지 히말라야 리귤리아 예데베 안아주지 최로스 마버지 대패야래 드린두산에 에네 키나우스 상물인데 현 좀베 겁들이야 아니 간당 아주 느리지긴 제고 신예토 총원디 네다 뒤당 다 가사스네 다도 간지 차네 미냐 뒤니 전부 예대버지량 물지슈
There are many reasons why I think that the fact that we're holding this commemoration in the noble land of India is very special, meaningful, and important. As we know, India was the birthplace of Buddhism as a whole, and in particular in relation to the Karmakagyu lineage, its teachings as well were born and took root with the Mahasiddhas of India. And their realization and experience was passed down in an unbroken lineage and eventually came to the snowy land of Tibet. The masters of this lineage were able to hold these teachings in a way that the lineage never became just the reverberation of words, but rather became a true lineage of experience and realization. This lineage consists of the transmission of the qualities of freedom from confusion and realization of true reality. And it remained in an unbroken way through the ages, first originating in India, then abiding for many hundreds of years in Tibet, and now, once again, this noble lineage has returned to the noble land of India. And I think that this is something that we should all be very proud of, and this is something that we should all be very inspired by. This is a very marvelous fact that this lineage remains alive today and has once again returned to the noble land of India. And so I think that this is a special honor to share with our noble guests today who are of Indian descent, as well as with our many friends who are gathered here today from the various regions of the Himalayan plateau. And I think that as Indian brothers and sisters, Tibetan brothers and sisters, people from the Himalayas, the fact that we are gathered here today for this occasion is very important and very meaningful to me.
아니 간다지다 나바상게 위치에서는 장도 야나지 야가 너럽기 가서 spiritual guidance 하는 장도 딱 간다 다 중수된다 야간에 충분히 다 등산 고비라이트 망부시에도 와
맞아.
제 고비라이트 바지다 야간에 하래 제상 야간에 하래
맞아.
안에 네네 간다 베나지 공스 장관 좀 초기 에너지 점링 가스칼이야 폐시 점링 그 시대당 에너지 차와매 봐 다나신 지소 상물로지 핀수 창부용아 근데 돌려 차례 망분난디요래 다 공기 차례 나베거다 메시지 상물로 나디 다 조디 ancient Indian wisdom 지송도
맞아.
다 들으시죠 제상 아주지 배버디 롱동자 마비리야 지 야간의 규배 에너지 wisdom 때 가서 두지르버디 배지 가서다 뉘에체 근데 배야 다들 마셔라 다들 시간을 조금 다 간다 드리두스탄에 아니 두지베 뉘에시 대버제 아니 망버리네 데데비데 두지디 지금 저번링 참물로려봐 고셔체체 저번링디 시리당 언제 처음에봐 지와 저기 가수야 가수야 뉘남 첨부지 요래 성도스 린두산에 아니 간다랑 아주들인데 가수지 참물로려 로건제야 디지 가수 셀레브레이션 지보면 봐 아주 로건제 돼야지 지 심지 야첨부지 장악 가수의 고급 첨부를 제삼 드리블 생각도 다시 나게 마부시다 시스템도 군주신다 소래 갈로 사버든나 예비 임레 네두상에 마부슈 슈모과체 타마데 양가 대배배 군주 나부 소래 다나시 최로 상물을이야 양가 대배배 도치 슈아이 도제마
So whether we refer to Buddhism or just spiritual guidance from long ago, basically the source of all of this was the noble land of India. And perhaps we can apply this to a modern concept of copyright and ask the question, well, who holds the copyright to all this wisdom? Then there'd be no other answer than the noble land of India is the copyright holder of all of this. And one great example of how this wisdom is being shared in the world is the work and activity of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. His Holiness the Dalai Lama has been traveling the world for many, many years, spreading the message of how to accomplish world peace, how to follow the path of nonviolence, how to spread more love in the world, how societies can cultivate more harmony within themselves, and so on. And basically what His Holiness the Dalai Lama is doing when he delivers this message is propagating the wisdom of ancient India. This wisdom of ancient India was also the pure nectar that was held for hundreds of years in the snowy land of Tibet. And this pure nectar is now being shared as a gift with the entire world. So rather than viewing this occasion as just a celebration, I think we should view it as a chance to further inspire ourselves, further boost our positive motivation, open our heart even further, expand our mind even further, expand our intention even further, so that we can bring true benefit to the world and really adopt together this responsibility of cultivating further world peace. And so that's basically all that I have to say for now. There's no need for me to go on for a long time. We have other honored guests who are going to be speaking as well, and they will also undoubtedly have some very profound things, profound sentiments to share with us. So I'd just like to conclude by once again thanking my honored guests for joining me here today, as well as all of you, my Dharma friends. Thank you.